Bitcoin surges, Ethereum teases a breakout, XRP stunts with another massive pump, and Solana continues its climb. Meanwhile, corporate giants, regulatory updates, and strategic partnerships are reshaping the crypto landscape. Let's dive into this week's biggest crypto stories and uncover their significance for the market and investors like you. Let's start with Bitcoin, which delivered yet another exhilarating week. Beginning at $90,000, Bitcoin climbed steadily, reaching a new all-time high of $99,588. It's now consolidating around $97,433, just shy of the psychological $100,000 barrier. This movement highlights strong buying interest, but also reveals resistance near this significant level. Analysts suggest we could see a correction before Bitcoin makes its next big leap, perhaps to break into six figures for the first time. For investors, the message is clear. While the bullish momentum is exciting, keeping an eye on potential retracements is essential. Ethereum, on the other hand, followed a slightly different path. Starting the week at $3,150, it experienced a choppy ride before surging to a weekly high of $3,497. Now consolidating around $3,406, Ethereum seems to be gathering energy for its next breakout. Analysts predict that the $3,500 resistance level is a pivotal point. A successful breach could pave the way for Ethereum to revisit its previous all-time high, making this an exciting moment for ETH holders. This steady build-up in Ethereum reflects its potential to align with Bitcoin's bullish momentum, though it may move at its own pace. Speaking of momentum, XRP didn't just follow the broader market sentiment, it created its own. After last week's impressive rally, XRP surged another 55%, rising from $1 to a weekly high of $1.63. This consistent gain highlights the growing optimism around XRP, fueled by its unique market position and positive sentiment. For XRP investors, this is another rewarding week, but as always, caution is key in a market that can turn on a dime. The optimism doesn't end there. Solana has been on an upward trajectory that continues to captivate its holders. This week, it rose another 15%, hitting a new all-time high of $264.39. Solana's steady performance reinforces its position as a favorite among investors, showcasing resilience and utility that has made it one of the most exciting projects in the crypto space. While price movements dominate headlines, institutional interest is quietly shaping the future of cryptocurrency. Tokyo-listed Metaplanet announced a 1.75 billion yen bond sale, roughly $11,300,000 to fund additional Bitcoin purchases. This move solidifies its position as a leader in corporate Bitcoin investment. Meanwhile, Mara Holdings took an even bolder step by increasing its Bitcoin buying budget to $1 billion, underscoring the growing confidence of large institutions in Bitcoin as a hedge against economic uncertainties. Adding to the wave of institutional interest, Michael Saylor, the chairman of MicroStrategy, is preparing to pitch Microsoft's board on adding Bitcoin to its balance sheet. Saylor has been given 3 minutes to present his case, and while the outcome remains uncertain, the very possibility of a tech giant like Microsoft entering the crypto space could redefine corporate adoption and spark a new wave of interest. This growing institutional confidence is further reflected in the ETF space. Bitcoin ETFs saw a total inflow of $490 million over the past week, with BlackRock's IBIT ETF alone attracting $513 million in a single day. This surge pushed the total net asset value of Bitcoin spot ETFs to an impressive $107,500,000. Such figures not only highlight institutional trust in Bitcoin, but also signal that we may be entering a new phase of mainstream acceptance. Amid these developments, the regulatory landscape is also evolving. SEC Chair Gary Gensler announced his resignation, effective January 20th, 2025. Gensler's tenure has been controversial, marked by a strict stance on cryptocurrency. His departure has reignited hope within the crypto community for a more balanced and innovation-friendly regulatory approach. This change in leadership could open doors for new policies that encourage growth rather than hinder it. Regulatory shifts aren't confined to the US. Over in China, a Shanghai court made a landmark ruling, clarifying that owning cryptocurrencies is legal for individuals. However, businesses remain barred from engaging in crypto-related activities. While this doesn't lift China's ban on commercial crypto operations, it acknowledges cryptocurrencies as personal property. For individual investors, this nuanced stance is a step toward broader recognition of digital assets. Finally, in ecosystem news, SUI announced a strategic partnership with Franklin Templeton Digital Assets to support blockchain technology solutions and foster growth within its ecosystem. Collaborations like these highlight how blockchain projects are bridging the gap with traditional finance, paving the way for broader adoption. From Bitcoin's thrilling rally to Ethereum's steady build-up, XRP's meteoric rise, and Solana's relentless climb, this week has been a whirlwind of action in the crypto space. Add to that the growing institutional interest, regulatory updates, and strategic partnerships, and it's clear that we're witnessing the evolution of a market that continues to defy expectations. Stay informed, stay strategic, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.